I'm attorney John Voss from the Van Horn Law Group. No, not all attorneys are pirates. I'm recovering back from some eye surgery. It's called an attached retina. Avoid it if you can. But I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch these videos and to listen and to learn what we've learned over the past 12 years, helping people, thousands of clients actually, deal with their debts. Today we're going to talk about a particular type of debt, something that is the scourge of condo owners everywhere, and that is your homeowners association, your homeowner association dues, whether it's a special assessment or that monthly or quarterly nut. What happens when you and the HOA have a disagreement and they say you owe them money? So some general things that I usually tell clients, and that is, listen, I'm a former condo owner. I know what it's like. I know the association, the pool is never open, the weight room is a mess. They never have security when you need it. Everyone's on the take. I get it. Okay, but if you have the ability to pay your homeowner dues, generally pay your homeowner dues. Okay, if you want to sue them or make them do stuff, that's a separate action. You're probably not gaining any leverage when you don't pay your dues. Okay, so I'm going to assume in this case that you are unable to pay the amount that they say you owe. Okay, first question that I usually get from people in these conversations is, I don't want to lose my home. Can the homeowners association take my home? I thought I lived in Florida, homestead exemption. Well, that is true, but there are some exceptions to the homestead exemption, and mortgages and homeowners associations are one of those exemptions. So when the HOA sends you a demand letter, take it seriously, because your house is at risk or your home's at risk. Okay. And the next thing my clients say is, the amount isn't right. No way could I owe them $18,000. They're charging me $3,000 in attorney's fees. Well, what to do in this case kind of depends where you are in the negotiation. Did they just send you a letter? Did they sue you? Is the lawsuit over and there's a sale date on the property? So look, if you just got a letter from an attorney, well, then now is probably the best time to try and cut a deal. Now, generally speaking, the Homeowners Association has some standard repayment plans, okay? 6 months, a year. In very rare cases, I've seen 24 months or beyond. And I'm sure you're the world's best condo owner. You're very polite to everyone. You helped plant the garden that was in front. But they have to offer you the same parameters as the jerk next door to you who hasn't paid his dues and lets the garbage pile up and he's grouchy to the security guys. Okay, generally you guys are going to get the same payment plan. Okay, if you can make that payment plan, make the payment plan, avoid litigation. Okay, what happens if they actually have served you with a lawsuit? Okay, they served you with a foreclosure. They put a lien on your property. Okay, if that's the case, two things. You have two ways of dealing with it. One, you can fight that foreclosure, but fight generally means a stall. Okay, I think we can all agree that you owe them something, right? The debate is about how much you owe, right? So ultimately, if you defend the lawsuit, what you're trying to do is you're trying to buy yourself some time to cut a deal. Okay, that's fine. Or if they aren't getting to a deal, or God help you, the case has been decided and there's a sale date on the property, at that point, you may need to take a look at filing a bankruptcy, a particular type of bankruptcy called a Chapter 13. And a Chapter 13 bankruptcy will deal with all your other debts. Maybe the reason why you can't pay the HOA is because you can't pay anybody. You can't pay your credit card, you're behind on your mortgage. You need help to put everything into one package. Right, where you're going to be able to get caught up on the Homeowners Association up to 5 years. Okay, the Chapter 13 bankruptcy stops the sale date, okay, and works and allows you to repay it and all your other creditors over 5 years. In most cases, once we get past about 9, 12 grand in the Homeowners Association debt, that's the right move. Okay, but regardless of whether it's just negotiating with the creditor, defending the lawsuit, or filing a Chapter 13, don't ignore them. Yes, your house is at risk. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have a question regarding homeowners associations or any other debt issues, please give us a call at 954-637-0000. Again, 954-637-0000. We are here at least until 7 p.m. each weeknight and Saturdays too. Hablamos español también. We look forward to helping you. Again, I'm John Voss from the Van Horn Law Group. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck and God bless. Thank you.